Community members requested that we improve the way we manage access rights. Currently, when all rights are not set, everybody gets access. This was the default behavior when you created new screens. The challenge was when an administrator assigned rights, such as revoked, to one user role, then all other roles remained not set but could no longer see the screen. Prior to 2024 R1, users would click a button to publish a new inquiry. The user would not be prompted to set access rights so everybody could see it. Now, customers receive a dialog box when they publish an inquiry that offers convenient options. I created a new inquiry called Current Ratio. On the Access Rights by Role screen, the rights are set so the person who created the screen can see it, but it's revoked for others. When I publish to the new UI, I have the option to assign specific rights. In this case, I will use the balance sheet access rights to replace the rights initially assigned. After publishing, I can see that my access rights have changed. Access rights changes impact system administrators and developers. Additional information regarding access rights will be shared in our developer session.